Okay guys, I'm going to do a little short video on the seat belts, the pre-tensioners, 2010 Chevy Equinox. I just did a little video on the airbag control module, the location of that. But I had to send both of the seat belts and the pre-tensioners in to get rebuilt. So this is a dual stage, has a pre-tensioner in the actual buckle of the seat, and it actually has the actual pre-tensioner in the center post. So one on each side, had to replace both of them. Versus buying new ones, I went and had these ones rebuilt. My airbags, had real good luck with these guys, redoing the modules and the seat belts. Right there you can see $49 to redo, reset an airbag control module, $75 for seat belts, versus I think these were like almost $200 a piece new. You can try to find them from salvage yard, but it's kind of a crapshoot to see if them were actually deployed or not. So I'm gonna do a little video on putting these in, both the seat belt and the actual pre-tensioner. All right.